Hey guys, I hope this quarantine is giving you yourself some time. Here are some self-care tips you should try for sure. Let's first know about face and body scrubs. The very first comes old-fashioned method. Before the scrub, apply olive oil or coconut oil. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Now take basin powder and a pinch of turmeric. Add milk to make it into a paste. Apply this and leave it until it dries. Wash it off with lukewarm water. This scrub helps for getting a fair skin and hydrates enough for the summer. Now comes the most relaxing scrub. Take 2 tablespoons coffee powder and sugar in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to moisturize. As this forms a really thick paste, add water if required. Also make sure you moisturize after shower. This scrub helps remove dead skin cells, leaving you with a wonderful aroma. The next one is the easiest scrub. When you have those outdated bread which cannot be consumed, take that to the shower with a cup of milk. Soak the bread pieces in milk for a minute and apply this on your face and body. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. This scrub exfoliates and results soft skin. Let's know some lip care solutions. The first comes lip scrub. Add honey and sugar. Apply this onto your lips. This removes dead skin cells and reduces pigmentation. Lip balm at home would be a wonderful idea. Hence take oil and some Vaseline. Add 2 vitamin E capsules to it. Apply this and leave for the day. Another tip would be a homemade ghee. Just apply it and it results lips with no cracks. The first one, eating healthy food. Obviously fruits. Eating fruits like mangoes, avocados are really helpful. These typical fruits have more than 80% of required vitamins known for restoring skin cells. Eating foods which are rich in vitamin C, drinking liquids like green tea are also useful because green tea cleanses your body and increases the immune power, which results in glowing skin. The second one is drinking water. If your skin doesn't get enough water, not only will it become dry, tight and flaky, but it will also become more prone for aging. Drinking 1 to 2 liters of water every day will help you to get rid of these problems. The third one is yoga. All you need is an hour. Let's see few asanas which help us in this process. Sarvangasana, also known as shoulder stand. It helps us improving skin texture and quality by promoting blood circulation towards face. Practice this asana for 3 to 5 times a day. Halasana, also known as plug pose, and is one of the best asanas for achieving healthy and glowing skin naturally. Uttasana. This forward bending pose promotes blood flow to the face and makes it one of the most functional poses for glowing skin. It also increases oxygen supply to the skin cells and also supplies helpful nutrients that fight damage caused by free radicals. You can also do regular exercises for your body fat burning because the more we sweat, the greater we glow. The fourth one is sleeping well. When we sleep, our skin is busy healing itself from damage that we might have sustained in the day from UV rays or pollution. Take a nap of minimum 8 hours a day, which will result in the glowy skin. Thank you for giving us your precious time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.